everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button wherever I decide I want to put it down there. As you can tell in this video, my bundles are out. I'm very sad about it because I love my bundles and now they're gone. But it was time for them to come out so I can give my hair a break. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this very simple and easy hairstyle. No, I am not no hairstylist. I'm not on here trying to teach you guys and school you guys about hair. I hardly know anything about hair. That's why my hair is always in protective styles. I hop from braids to sew-ins, back to braids, and then back to my sew-ins. My hair is hardly out unless I'm giving it a period of time to just breathe, and usually I'll just have my hair in a slick back bun, and that's about it. But today I want to do something a little different. Coming up, my mom used to always do my hair, and then right when I hit college, I'm like, what do I do? And so now I'm kind of in that little bubble, like I don't know what to do. I always get my friends to do it or go to a salon. I don't do my own hair. This isn't really a tutorial, just a quick video. Well, I guess this is a tutorial for people who are just learning how to do their hair like I am, so you know, we can learn together. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this hairstyle. It's just, you know, a little twist to the side, slicked on the other side into a puff. Like, I have 4C hair, just to put that out there. Very thick, very coarse, very curly. Yeah, a lot of work. Once again, I said, did I say thick? Because it's very thick. Like, goodness gracious, it took me the longest time to blow dry my hair, and you will see that. My hair, oh my goodness. This is why I just keep it in those protective styles. I do not like touching it. I do not like doing it. If it has to be done, if it has to be touched, if it has to be groomed, somebody else is doing it, which is a problem, I know, but I am learning. This hair journey is a learning process, and I am on that train. So yeah, keep watching and I'll show you guys how I achieved this look. So I'm starting off with nice, fresh, washed hair. I deep conditioned it because it needed some extra love in TLC. Instead of using a towel to dry my hair, I use a dry fit shirt. I just feel like my hair dries better that way. I don't know, just a personal thing. Now I'm about to section off my hair in no particular way. I'm using my fingers as a comb. Since my hair is so thick, I find it easier to section off my hair. It just makes the blow dry process and detangling process so much easier. So I'm now about to take my Silk Element heat protecting spray, spray it in the section, comb it through, detangle my hair, and then start the blow drying process. And trust me guys, I know this blow dry has seen better days. It's a little beat up, but you know what? It gets the job done, so I want no shade thrown my way. I swear I'll never fall again. This don't even feel like fun. So the hair I just blow dry doesn't get in the way of the hair I'm about to blow dry. I like to braid the section I was just working on. I'm sorry y'all, as you can tell, I got hungry and then burned my tongue. Anywho, back to this hair tutorial. I'm about to repeat the same step you just saw to the rest of my hair. It's going to take a while, so I went ahead and spread the process. I just go ahead and use my heat protectant spray, detangle, and blow dry method for the rest of my hair, and keep it moving. Whew, y'all, I am finally done. That was seriously an arm workout. But right now I'm applying some oil to my hair because it really needs it. It looks kind of dry. Then I'm taking the Main Choice hair butter and applying that to my hair. I'm now making a part for where I'm going to start my twist at. Applying some more of that hair butter because, you know, can't have too much moisturizer in your hair. So here I took a good bit of my hair in the front and just sectioned that off. I'm pulling back the excess hair in the back just to keep it out the way with some hair clips. I'm now about to go in with some Echo Styler gel just to lay down the twist in the front. Brush that all the way through, and then I start my twist. And personally, I use the overhand method. It's just a personal preference. Some people go under, I just choose to go over. And then at the end, you will see that instead of twisting all the way through, I like to end my twist with a braid. I just feel like it keeps my hair in and it will not unravel. So that's just a little trick I do. Then I go ahead and take some of the Echo and apply that to the rest of my hair. Just the top, just to slick it down a little bit. So you can definitely do the back any type of way you want to. You can turn your bun into a sock bun. You can do the puff like I did. You can just do a variety of things, which is awesome. I'm now laying down my edges with some Echo Style gel, as well as smoothing away my flyaways, which I'll then tie down with a hair scarf. And the amount of time you keep on your hair scarf to lay on your edges or to just keep your hair tight is really up to you. I like to do my hair first, then do my makeup. So by the time I finish my makeup and take off my hair scarf, my hair is laid and slayed. But you can leave this on if you're like, you know, in a rush or on the go, like 5-10 minutes, and your hair will be set by the time you take it off. And voila, magic. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or have any helpful pointers about 4C hair or just hair in general, please let me know in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.